Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've had this video set up for a while here now, and I'm just now getting around to adding some sound to it. I'm changing out the kitchen faucet in my house. It's been bad for a while, and the wife said, let's get it done. So I'm going to take care of it and show you guys how anybody can do it, just using your old household tools. Well, not really household, just need a crescent wrench and a couple little things, and you can get it done. The first thing you want to make sure you get done is unplug any plugs that might be in there from the dishwasher or the garbage disposal. Get them unplugged out of your way. Make sure your water is turned off underneath there. You see here, mine has a panel that was supposed to be there at one time and it's missing. So I don't know where I've done it, what I've done with it, but it's gone. So here, just make sure once you open your box up, of course, that all your parts and supplies are inside there and you got everything you need. And once your water's off, get your crescent wrench, pliers, or your plumbing tool out. Get your supply lines loosened and taken off. Sometimes it might be a little bit pain in the butt, but just don't give up. You'll get it done. You know, Let me just share with you. You see some of this Teflon tape here on this supply valve and possibly even the supply line. Don't ever put that on there. It's not what it's made for. These things are all compressed fittings. They've got their ways of shutting things off. You do not need any of that Teflon tape. So once you get the bottom off, reach up there and just slide your inlet pipes, supply lines out of your way so you can disconnect the the double flow setup there and pull it down and get your other supply line off. This whole thing, for an experienced guy, 10-15 minutes. Homeowner, it might take a half an hour or so, but don't be afraid. You can do it. Just spend the time. Watch some YouTube videos. You'll be able to get it done. Just one step at a time. You know what I mean? So once you get your supply lines off, loosen up your lock nut washers, or lock nuts, I should say, on your kitchen faucet there. Sometimes you can just spin them off with your hands. Other times you'll need to reach up there with your channel locks and give them a smack and they'll spin off. But these here, as you can see, they were easy, piece of cake. They just spun right off, and well, here we go. This is what you're left with if everything comes off nicely. So here's this. Mama said make sure you clean it up good, so I gave it a good cleanup. And then got my parts all aligned up here on my countertop so I can begin installation on this. Normally I do not like putting that cover plate down, but we've had the 3 holes, so I had to cover it up. So get back underneath there with your one hand while you're holding your phone. Yeah, you won't be holding your phone, but you might need a flashlight to get these things set and going up there. It's kind of a pain trying to get them all threaded on without cross-threading those things. And I know it took me a few attempts to do it, but get one up there, get it set, go back and attack the other one, get it set, and just get them up there as good as you can. Tighten them up as good as you can, because you don't want the faucet up top to be sliding and twisting and turning. Now, once you get these set a little bit, go up on top and make sure everything's lined up with the faucet and your gaskets underneath that are all nice and lined up and they're not pinching, sticking out the side of your mount there for your faucet. So here we got the faucet slipped down inside. And now you're just taking this long, super long, threaded all through bolt water line or water entrance line. No, this is just secure bolt. So anyway, this one takes forever. I've never had one that was solid threads like this. And look at over and over and over and over and over. I bet this was half of the installation just getting this thing put up there like that. So, it's just going to take a little patience as you're working through this. And again, I'm handicapped here because I'm using one hand while I'm trying to use my phone. And luckily you can't hear me grunting and groaning with my fat ass underneath there. My fat butt, sorry. So once you get up there a little bit better, you can use this tool. It comes with your kit. Should come with your new faucet. Get it snugged up there. And again, go back up on top and look to make sure all your faucet is lined up, your plate's lined up, everything's looking good. And then come back and retighten your big old lock nuts on here. And well, there's the faucet. The water line's all hooked up and ready to go. So somewhere I skipped some steps in here, but it's just like when you take it off, you just put it back on in the same directions. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks guys, have a great day now.